Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say it with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making whipped cream bombs for our hot chocolate. The ingredients that we're going to need today are red and green sanding sugar. We're going to need candy canes, whipped cream, and also mini marshmallows. Okay guys, so now we're ready to make our whipped cream bombs. I also crushed one candy cane right here. So I have a muffin tin and I lined it with silicone cupcake liners. The first thing we're going to do is put our candy canes into the liners. Next, we're going to take our whipped cream and we're just going to go over top, just like that. Next, we're going to add our marshmallows onto the top. Now I started to sprinkle our candy cane pieces right over the top. Next, you want to take your sanding sugars. This is the green. Sprinkle a little bit on top. And now some of the red. Now we can place them in our freezer, and you're going to let them get nice and firm. Okay guys, so our whipped cream bombs are now done. It does take several hours for it to get firm, as you can see. So now I'm just going to take the silicone wrappers off. Okay guys, this is what they look like out of the wrappers. So I'm going to go ahead and get our hot chocolate ready. Okay guys, our hot chocolate is made. If you like extra marshmallows, I have some dehydrated ones. I'm just going to put them in first. And now we're going to add in our whipped cream bombs. Okay guys, so here you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all thirsty yet?